Hello everyone, we have a new unboxing, so it's definitely the month of unboxing, and this is a really long time due because it's the winter seasonal from Brand New World, but I just received it, and while I'm filming it we have the beginning of February, so I did have some trouble. It was just still on pre-shipment 2 months after, so I sent an email to the customer service and they kindly resent me one. It just took a lot of time with the holiday season and some trouble we have here with the post office we had before, so it's finally here. I'm so happy, thank you very much. I did have already a look to what is inside, but I wanted to share it with you. And obviously you cannot have it anymore since it was the winter one and it was shipped in October, so you know it's like a really long time due, but maybe it can give you the ID and to subscribe to the next one. It's my second one and I just love them. I unfortunately unsubscribed because with the moving and everything I do have to cancel some of my subscription, as you know, and yes, that's really sad, but it's not because I don't like, it's just because I cannot afford it anymore. So if you would like, you can always check their website, Planning World. It's just amazing. They also offer monthly boxes, I'm pretty sure, and just regular stuff in the shop. So let's open this one first, and let's just putting things back so we have a little bit of suspense. So when you open it, it was previously sealed with this little art, and it's just so pretty. It's embossed and everything. And I did use my previous one. I did keep my previous one, but right now I don't know where it is anymore, since I do have some stuff back. So, but anyway, I did already remove the things with everything that you have, and you have the price of every item, so we will see that after, because I do want to do like a full reveal. So I'm just going to pick one stuff. Ooh, we have one stuff. Okay, it says planner, so like it says, I'm pretty sure it's a planner. Let's have a look. Ooh, I do have like, okay, so you have a bow, it says Planning World, and ooh, it's like a PP week style. So we have this planner belongs to and the year, and you have a bow cover on the inside, and then you start with your week. So I'm wondering how many weeks you have, because you don't have the months, you only have week, and you have some dot grid pages, but really few, so that's really beautiful. But I'm wondering if it's the size of, okay, so it's much more bigger for size comparison. That's the PP Weeks notebooks, and I do have my old Obonichi over here without cover, so we can have, so it's the same size as the PP Weeks, so it's really much more bigger, but that could be great. So you have like that, your weekly, you have, it's really, I cannot know if you can see it on the camera. Yes, I think the dot grid I really liked. Okay, so you got a planner, and let's see the price after. So you have a planner, and then okay, you have a second one, and this time it's in white with silver foil. So it was pink with gold, and this one is with silver foil. And ooh, it seems to be exactly the same, but just in a neutral version. It's in gray, and this was pink. So it's pretty much all the same. So you have a colorful version and a neutral version. So it was a set of 2, and the card, it says that you have inserts that last for 6 months, so with 2 you have 1 year, and they say the set of 2 is $22. So that's the 2 insert, and I'm pretty sure you know that, but since you have different sizes of inserts, you do need to have a cover. And oh my god, I'm hoping that you can see that on the camera, because it's a white iridescent cover with a snap closure, and it has pink on the side, and ooh, I think you can pretty much see it correctly on the camera, hopefully. So we open it. So you have a pen holder over here, and ta-da! So you have card slot, and so if I'm saying it correctly, it should fit perfectly. So I do like the idea. I just wish it was the side of an Obonichi, so I can use it in my Obonichi, because I do love the cover, but I don't know if I'm going to use the kind of planner right now. So I might, I don't know, but that's how it works. And yes, it's bigger, like I said, and if you took a cover, not so much on the width, but on the height, like you can see. Yes, but that's really beautiful. So you have the cover, and they say planning on the go, we have got you covered. Protect your weekly planner with this holographic cover. It even comes with credit card slot and a pen loop, and it sells for $42. Okay, so just these 3 items, we are at 64. That's not bad at all. Then we have, ooh, that's 2020 calendar, January to December. Trying to not to rip down the stickers. Yeah, I think I have to. Do I have to? Oh, maybe not. Sorry if you can hear the noise, but I didn't rip it. Yay to me. You probably don't care, but anyway, yeah. So let's have a look to the monthly calendar cards, and they are selling for $15. So obviously you're pretty sure you have 12 months, so you have, it's not for, oh yes, it's foiled on gold, beautiful. So you have January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and lastly December. So it might be something really great to have, because I don't have on my desk something with the calendar. I always check on my cell phone usually when I want to have a quick date, so maybe I can use it on display on my desk. I was looking for the word, sorry. So I'm just bringing it back for the moment inside. I should do it after. Yes, let's just do after it. So we do have still 2 items. I did have the, okay, let's just finish with these items. And ooh, these are gel pens. Yes, we do have 5, and they are kind of a vintage colors. Ooh, I don't know the brand because it's obviously in a language that I don't speak and even read. So, but they do are really great. And do I have a paper somewhere? Paper? Yes, I can find something for sure. Do I find it quickly? Oh. Okay, I do have some sticky notes over here that are over there. So yes, I'm going to try them all. That's the black, and I don't have the best handwriting, but they do right pretty well. So the black, then we have, we have the gray, yes, we have the red, and again removing this stuff, red. Oh, and they have a clip, just so you can clip it to your shirt or everywhere you would like. Pretty sure you can clip it like that, but yeah, it's working anyway. Sorry. Then we have, I think it's like orange yellow color, so let's have a look. Yes, orange. It says hello again. Yes, that's my only word. And the last one, it's like a purple. Oh, this one, yeah. So that's the colors. Okay, the black seems to be bigger, so it's 0.5 for everyone, but yeah, that's the pen you have, and they sell to the price of $12. And lastly, the last thing you have, and that was a plus, you don't have to have it, but, and oh my god, that's beautiful. Anyway, that's the sticker kit, and I didn't saw all the pages, so I'm going to see with you. And you do have really few dots of gold. I wish there would have been some more, because that's clearly not a lot. But anyway, then you have all the boxes like that I'm pretty sure was supposed to be a checklist, and you can use that anyway like you would like. And there are all these boxes just with white boxes, and that's one of the thing I do in my shop as well, but I do have the checklist side. So if you would like to check that, you have the link of my shop in the description down below. Anyway, you have another sheet, and this one is foil, and you do have a ton of foil. On this one you have colorful headers, and you have some labels over here with line foil. Then you have 2 habit trackers that I foil, and your 2 weekly checklists that are also foil, and then you have a half box as well, but no foil. And then you have your dead cover and washi with some foil again. And lastly, you have decals, circle bows, checklist, flags, icons, and with foil again. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or 5. Sorry, 6. Sorry, you have a 6-page weekly planner stickers, and it says that is worth $16.95. So that's for the weekly kit. And so I can show you quickly now that I could have shown you at first, but anyway. And so yes, like I said, 2019. Yes, we are already in February 2020, but anyway, I do have it and I'm happy. Obviously, I will use it next fall, because it's, well, it's kind of any season, but for me it's more like using in fall. Yes, October, September, end of September kind of months. But yeah, so that's everything. So they say that there are a value of more than $100, and I don't remember the price, but I think it was around 50. And it's billed every 3 months. It says it's a seasonal, so you have obviously winter, spring, summer, and fall. You have your fall season. But anyway, I did have talk too much. If you're still here with me, thank you for living this journey with me. I will say it like that. If you're new, welcome, and I will see you in the next video really soon. Bye.